Buongiorno, welcome to another video. Yeah, it's Easter and I just changed my winter tires, put my summer tires on. One of the things I always do before storing them is treating them with a tire shine product to make sure that it's protected against UV rays, against ozone, and that they just look great when they come on again. Also to make sure there's no drying and cracking while they're in storage. And today I'm trying out for the first time Ma-Fra Black Triplus tire renewer. Yeah, Ma-Fra, I find it a really cool brand. It's all made in Italy. And I thought, why not take something Italian if you have Pirelli Sottozero 3 winter tires? And they look really great. I'm very happy with these tires. They're now in their 4th season. And I've already done the other tires, as you can see. Yeah, I put it here on the side. Later I'll also do on the treading and on the back. But once it dries off, it has a nice, decent shine. I would say it is somewhere between shiny and matte. Yeah, let me know what you think it is. I think it looks really nice. Not so in your face, but still the tires look, yeah, really well taken care of. And this tire I haven't done yet. And I just want to show you what I normally do. Is I go with the spray, I gently layer it a bit, see, like this. And this Ma-Fra tire shine tire renewer smells a bit like, yeah, a bit like flowers. It's quite pleasant. So a bit more there. And then I take my pad, so yeah. I also spray a bit on the pad. Yeah, and then I just start massaging this into the tire. So as you can see, it spreads really well. It's not thick, definitely not oily. So I kind of like that because I've had some tire sprays in the past that were very oily. And it's very easy to apply, as you can see. And then what you can also do is fold it a bit. And here you have this crease, as you see. And there it's also really good that if you store these tires, that there also you put the product. So, think about it a bit like if this is your face and you want to avoid wrinkles, where do you want to put it? Well, you want to put it also here, exactly, because those are the areas I think that don't see a lot of love and attention. Yeah, and then when they go into storage, I put them in my shed on a standard. I stack them on top of each other, layer them. And yeah, when they come out again, they look exactly like this. The tires look fantastic. You have successfully protected them against, yeah, I mean, maybe you store them outside on your balcony. You have protected them against ozone, against UV. But in my opinion, if you invest a lot of money in nice tires, nice wheels, and these are Roner wheels, Pirelli tires, they're not the cheapest. This is a great way to take care of them. Let me know whether you do this to your tires or you have a different routine. Do you like Ma-Fra? Do you like another brand? Write me in the comments and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Arrivederci.